Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn and write 10 water animals name in English and Hindi. So first number 1, whale. W H A L E, whale. Whale means whale. Number 2, shark. S H A R K, shark. Shark means shark. Number 3, dolphin. D O L P H I N, dolphin. Dolphin means dolphin. Number 4, octopus. O C T O P U S, octopus. Octopus means octopus. Number 5, turtle. T U R T L E, turtle. Turtle means kachua. Number 6, crocodile. C R O C O D I L E, crocodile. Crocodile means magarmach. Number 7, frog. F R O G, frog. Frog means mendhak. Number 8, snail. S N A I L, snail. Snail means घोंघा. Number 9, crab. C R A B, crab. Crab means kekda. And last, number 10, seal. S E A L, seal. Seal means seal. So if you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.